So to participate in the Pi Network domain name auction, follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video. So the link to participate will be in the description of this video. Make sure you make use of it. So now you can see I'm currently in my Pi browser. So once you copy the link, you see this section that is showing you home. Tap on it. That's the search bar. Then make sure you impute that link. Once you impute it, click on search. So click on search, then it will bring you to this interface where it shows you all the details. Here they said to be eligible, either you're a pioneer or you purchase Pi from exchange. So go ahead and read all this. And the auction started on the 14th of February, will be ending on Pi day 2, do you get, which is June 28th. And the minimum you can bid is 10 Pis. That's the minimum you can bid. And if the domain name you bidded for supposed to end in the next 24 hours and somebody bidded before the 24 hours, the domain name winning auction will be extended, do you get? But if nobody bid for it within 24 hours, it will definitely end. And again, this domain name, you'll be paying maintenance fee yearly, just like normal website domain name. So make sure you do your own right now. Bid for a name that will give you money in future, a very good money. So for you to participate, click on this go to auction. So click to go to auction. Then here you have to unlock your wallet with either your passphrase or your fingerprint. So now it will bring you to this section here. So this section is where you're going to be searching for the domain name, any domain name of your choice. But guys, let me give you one of the strategies. If you are searching for a domain name, search for a domain name that people will be needing, so that when you want to resell it, you can resell it with a good price. Do you get? You can resell it with a good price. For those of you that know about Fragment on Telegram, in Fragment you can buy and sell domain names. But if you check the prices of those domain names, the ones that has higher prices are those domain names that will be likely companies will likely be needing. Do you get? So those are the kind of domain name you should be bidding for. So for you to bid, just search for the domain name. For example, I want to bid for Ronaldo. So I'll just put in Ronaldo here, search for it. Then here you can see how many people bidding for Ronaldo. You see the first wallet bidded 20 Pi for Ronaldo, the second one 25 Pi for Ronaldo, the third one bidded 45 Pi for Ronaldo. And the 45 Pi is currently the king currently. And if you want to add to bid this person, you have to bid 55 Pi. Yesterday, when I made my first video regarding to this, the people that were bidding is 10 Pi, 20 Pi, and 25 Pi. Now you can see the highest now is 45, and that's how it's going to continue. Imagine you win this at maybe 100 Pi and later sell it for like 2,000, 10,000 Pis, because maybe Ronaldo is interested in building in Pi or having an account in Pi network. So these are the things you should look after when you're building. For example, if I want to bid for Very Dark Man, that's VDM now, I'll just click and search. You can see for VDM now, nobody is bidding for VDM. Do you get? Nobody is bidding for VDM. So maybe you purchase this VDM domain name, and later in future, maybe Pi had implements maybe monetization stuff for content creators, and VDM want to join Pi network. So it will have to buy that username or this domain name back from you guys. He will have to buy it back from you. Do you get? So these are the kind of names you should be looking for. For Very Dark Man, let me just put Very Dark Man and see what will happen here. Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man. So Very Dark Man. So let me put this. You can see this domain name is available. Nobody is using it. Do you get? So these are the kind of things. Let me search for Messi. I know some people will be bidding for Messi. Let me search for it. Okay, you see, that's the thing. Can you imagine people are bidding for domain name that is not their own? Because they understand the process, they understand what this is all about. So you can see the first wallet bidding 60.1 Pi for this domain name, and you see the second wallet 70.1 pi, the third wallet 80.1 pi. So if you want to outbid these people now, you bid 90.1 pi. Do you get? The winner takes the domain name. Imagine Messi coming to Pi Network and want to use his name, and the domain name is no longer available. We'll have to buy from you, and by that time you're going to be reselling at a higher price. So let me go ahead and search for another domain name for Donald Trump, maybe Trump. Let's see if this is available. Okay, see, oh my goodness, see the kind of bid they are bidding for Trump. Oh my goodness, the first wallet is bidding 280 pi, the second wallet 291 pi, the third wallet 311 pi, and for you to outbid this person, you bid 321 pi. Oh my goodness. So that's what is going on, guys. That's what is going on. For you to participate, once you get to this session, just click on bid. Do you get? So if you click on bid, they are going to be deducting that same amount from your Pi wallet. They're going to be deducting it from your Pi wallet. They will hold it. But if you didn't win for the bid, they are going to you will be able to get your money back. You'll be able to get your Pi's back. So they will give you option to claim your bidding. Do you get? So it's not as if when you bid, that's all. If you don't, whether you win or you don't win, you lose your Pi. No. If you didn't win for the option, you'll be able to claim it back. Do you get? You'll be able to claim it back into your wallet. So for you to bid, just click on bid, and it will be charged from your, you can see place bid. So if you have up to 321 pi in your wallet, just click on place bid now, and it will be placed for you. So they will deduct it from your wallet and be placed for you. So whenever you want to check your bid, if you come to this my bid section, you'll be able to see your bids or the domain name you're bidding for. But currently now, I'm not bidding for any domain name, so that's why I can't see any domain name here. So guys, that's how to participate in this Pi Network domain name auction. Make sure you try it out. Don't miss this, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more updates like this, and see you in my next video.